a bit wet. Been out in the rain.
Look at the little thing. This one? Okay.
No standing, mate. Sit down all the time. Seats will be right.
Turn down. Stop down this.
These are posh. He's got a bathroom. These are. Yeah. Obviously made a lot of money out of killing people. Oh, look at that for a bath.
But then again, I work where I was using my hands all the time, and I was one of the very few that didn't get this tunnel thing.
Nah, I've got
Have you?
funny thumbs, yeah.
I know I've got the, you know how where we work, well, not a lot of them got this tunnel
Carpal
thing.
tunnel,
Carpal
yeah.
tunnel.
Yeah.
And I didn't. And I was using.
Here at 4 and that, they just let it drop. The cashier next door, he gets balls like that from different departments, different counters. There's another launch and beer from over in that counter. And every time he gets a ball, he simply opens it up, takes out one of them slips, along with the money. He looks it up in the big ledger, and he writes you how much you're spending down your cards. And then he sends the change back alongside with your slip, your copy. Every time a shop assistant here gets a ball, she would simply open it up, take out the change and that, and she'd read the dividend out, dividend such and such, and then somebody would shout, look, that's mine, and the shop assistant here would say, there you are, Mrs. Smith, there's your change and your dividend. Come on.
very lucky with that today. Both the cats think they're lucky as well.
Cats long ago where it's warmer.
Oh yes. Charlie is the one on the chair. He likes to be inside. But we try on a sunny day. We try to sort of keep them outside. She's quite happy to stay outside so long as she can sort of. Her favourite spot is on top of the canary cage. Yes, for health and safety purposes, we do have a kitchen, but we try.
We're just going to curl up in that pot.
About 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it will continue to rise on the table and then it will sink back down again. And you find that if it's damp like today, it sinks more, and if it's a nice day, it'll stay nice and high. If it's too warm, it will sink again. It's really temperamental, simple toffee. Anybody who tries it, don't give up. It's one of those things you can, keep trying at, and you will get there. A lot of people do this from home, and if you're going to try it from home, there's lots of recipes on the internet. I recommend you get like a roasting tray, a big baking tray or roasting tray with a high side, vegetable oil and corn flour. And when you tip it in as it rises, it's not going to go all over your kitchen or anything like that. So obviously yours is going to be a fraction.